How to quickly import multiple PDF pages with different sizes into Photoshop. Normally, you'd need to open each page manually, adjust settings, and repeat the process over and over again. But with this Photoshop PDF import script, you simply select a PDF file, choose the pages you want, and the script automatically imports everything for you. It supports mixed page sizes, custom crop boxes, RGB and CMYK workflows, and can even export directly to PSD, JPG, or PNG. Let's see it in action. If you want to try it yourself, the download link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.